Hey guys, we at ezeep worked at something really exciting here this last couple of months, and I'm glad to be able to show that to you today. So we are releasing the ezeep Hub. It's a small device that replaces the need for having a connector PC that has to run in your space all the time. And let me just show you how easy that is. So we got our ezeep Hub here. Comes in a small convenient box. As you can see, it's a small device. You got the outlets here for USB and for Ethernet. And all you have to do is plug it in. Everything you need is in the box. So we just take all of that out here. Little instruction manual, obviously our power cable. We also have a wall mount if you want to connect that to the wall. It's all here. We don't need that for right now. So let me take the hub, plug in my Ethernet, and then I'm just plugging in my power. There you go. And then all we got to do is wait a few minutes. This thing starts up, it then scans your network, and it reports all your printers back to your ezeep account. And what we do with them next is what I show you here now in a second.
So after the ezeep Hub has been plugged in, as the ezeep admin, I go to my admin portal. And what you see here is our new ezeep platform. You will hear a lot more about this in the upcoming month, but for right now, let's just focus on the printers that the ezeep Hub found in the network and reported back to the ezeep organization. Okay, and here are my printers. There's the HP LaserJet Pro, and there's also a Xerox VersaLink. So what I do now as the admin is I select the printer, and I pick the printer driver I want to use. All of these drivers are hosted by us in the cloud, so you don't have to install any drivers anymore on your side. That's all for now. Stay tuned for my next update.